Do you know how easy it is to share your behavioral health event with the right audience on the posting board? Let's explore how to make it happen. Start by visiting thepostingboard.com and clicking Login at the top right. Select the Member Login tab. Then, enter your email address and password. From your members' dashboard, scroll down to the Events section. Click Event and then select New Event to begin posting. Then, create a title. Remember, this is the first thing people see. It's how you catch the attention and set the tone for your attendees. Next, choose the categories that best fit, and don't forget to add smart tags. These are keywords that make your event easier to find and help connect you with the right audience. This area is where you let your visitors know dates and time so they can mark it in their calendar. Add your event image here. Banners work best for viewing. 750 by 400 pixels is the recommended size. What is the cost to attend? Enter a single price or price range, or if there's no charge, input free. Paste the full URL here, where people can register or learn more on your official event page. Eventbrite, your website, or a Zoom Teams registration page all work too. Add the venue name, the official name of the location. For online events, type online or virtual. Add the street address so we can map your event. Once populated, select the correct address and it will automatically be inputted here. Next, write a short description. This is what is seen on the search results page. Then, enter your longer description. Give in-depth details. You want to capture viewers' attention, so leave nothing out. Let them know what your event is about and why they should attend. When everything looks good, click Save and your event is ready to go live. Your hard work deserves to be seen in the right space. Show your commitment and grow your impact on thepostingboard.com. Treatments, one-stop resource site,